Right, now we are going to proceed. If you check 1.1.6, it says create the following general ledger accounts. Use the given account numbers and link each account to the correct financial and report writer categories. So now, before we take on the balances, you must first create the general ledger accounts. Only the accounts that we are going to use, the accounts that we are given on this list. So if you check here, the first one is 5,000 and description is capital. So we are going to say edit general ledger account. Then you will type the account number. In this case, it's 5,000. You press enter. Then you type the description. It's capital. Then they say link to the correct report writer and financial category. So now you know you are going to make use of your accounting knowledge. We know that capital is a balance sheet account. Ensure that you activate balance sheet account. Then you link here as well financial and report writer category. Remember, the report writer categories are the one that you created when you do the setups. Remember, it's 1 up until 8, capital up until expenses. All right, so as we link here, capital here, we are going to select share capital. Then here it's capital or capital. Then you save, right? Then you do the next one, it's 5100. Then enter this one as retained income. So previously when Pastel was in N6, they will give you a clear instruction when it comes to return income. Previously, they will tell you that link the report writer category capital and financial category B15 return income. But in this case, when you check, sometimes you might get that instruction which is clear. In this case, they say link to the correct report writer category. They don't tell you which account you select and the B15 return income. So now what you need to note is that when you link return income, you don't start with the financial category, you start with the report writer category. Hence on the instruction it says link to the correct report writer. It doesn't start by saying financial category, because if you check here, financial comes first and then report writer comes last. But if you start here and select the B15, because they say financial category is B15, now you are going to have a problem trying to select here where it says under the report writer category. You are going to struggle. It won't allow you to select because you've selected already here only with return income. Now I'll just put unallocated. I come here and select capital. uh, Return income, report writer category, you select capital. Then here you will select the B15. So I'm saying to you, sometimes previously they used to give a clear instruction. They will tell you it's capital report writer category, B15 financial category. So now in this case, they just said correct linked with the correct report writer category, assuming that you know the correct category for return income, and then they tell you under financial category select the B15. Here's the B15. Now that I've selected capital, is after that I went and selected the B15, which is return income. Now, this capital cannot be changed as long as here it says B15. You cannot change here. It doesn't allow you. Hence, you start with the report writer category and you go to the financial category only with return income. Then you save. Then the next one is drawings 5200. So drawings is just the same as capital when you link, but the difference is that with drawings we debit, with capital we credit the opening balance. So as we record, you will see. So you link the same with the financial and report writer category for capital and drawings. Return income, the difference is the financial category, which is B15, but down here it's capital. All right, then you save. Then 6,000. It's a land and building. Land and building, which are non-current assets. let's see. We're fixed. Investment, other fixed. Let's select other assets. Here is it's non-current assets. Then you save. 6100, which is vehicle. Net carrying value. Sorry. So non-current assets. So this one, the vehicle, because we have sub accounts, we only link the first one. If you check here, we have vehicle, net carrying value, and the account number is 6100. The next one is vehicle, cost price, and the account number is 6100. The fact that these three they start with the same number, it means the other two are sub accounts. So as long as you type, when you repeat the number 6100, you will notice that when you press enter, it doesn't go to description, it goes to the sub account where you will type the 010, because this is the sub account for vehicle net carrying value. So you will type here the description of the sub account, which is vehicle cost price. And this one doesn't require you to link to the correct, to the report writer and financial category, because it's a sub account of an existing account. Okay, cost price. So here you see it's not active. Then click save. We repeat again 6100. You press enter. It's a sub account as well. This one different is 020. It's different. It's no longer 010, it's 020. So you must be careful when it comes to sub accounts. Make sure that you type the correct account number, the correct sub account number. Okay, this one is accumulated. No, no, you must start with vehicle. All right, you don't link as well. Then you save. From there, we have our fixed deposit, which is 7100. Fixed, sorry, fixed fixed deposit. It's other financial assets. This one, other financial. Do we have other financial? Okay, let's leave it as other assets. So here it's non-current. Non-current. Then save. What's next? The next one, it's 7300. This one it's bank. If you check, you have a clear instruction that says do not link to cash book, right? It's bank. It's bank. We do have bank here, and it's current assets. When you save, it will give you a message. Would you like to create cash book one? You say no. The instruction is clear in bold. Do not link it to cash book. No. All right. Then 7400. 7400 is trade receivables. Receivables control. Trade receivable controls current assets. Current assets. Save 7500. Provision for credit loss. Assets. Then 78. Inventory. We have inventory here, which is assets. Then 0001 sales revenue. Revenue. This one, it's income statement. We are done with balance sheet accounts. Normally, they will group your accounts. Starting with balance sheet accounts, and then following it will be the income statement accounts. So from here, from sales, all of these are our income statement accounts. The account number you can see changes. This one, the last one was 78. Here it says 001. Right, it's sales. We do have sales here. Sales and sales for both. We do have sales. Then you save. Then the next one, it's a 0050, which is interest income. Interest income is other income. Other income. Do we have other income? Yes. Save. Then we have 1000. And then the account 1000. Is it 1000? Yes, 1000 opening event. Opening inventory, it's a cost of sales. Ne? Cost of sales. Cost of sales. On your income statement, the opening, closing, purchases, they form part of your cost of sales. Inventory purchases 1015. Cost of sales. Save. And then closing 1100. Closing inventory. Also cost of sales. Okay. 2000 credit loss. This one it's called expenses, expenses on both. All of these are expenses from 2000, 2015. All right. Is advertising and promotion. And shows expenses. Save. 2100, which is salaries and wages. Orders and wages. Or expense, save. 2200. Water and electricity. Expense. All right, lastly, insurance to 300. Hope I didn't miss an account. Okay, expense, then you save. All right, I will cut this video short here, and then the next one will be recording of the opening balances. Guys, please remember to subscribe to support my channel to keep me going. Please guys, subscribe. Just click subscribe. You have nothing to lose.